Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and I want to share with you today a small story from my life. A story that starts from when I was in my school, a big failure in my school, failed a number of times in classes, did not do well, and the story is long. This is a long part, but let me bring it short, cut it short. Class 10th, an important milestone in one's life. I started working hard for my studies. Somehow I managed to study hard and score good marks in my boards, in my class 10 examinations. I had like 95, 96 plus in English and maths and science, in social studies. Not in English, yeah. Except English, I scored really well in all the other subjects, and in English it was about, I think it was some 65 or 70 or something. So my total percentage was 82.5, 83%. So I was really happy about myself that I have scored so well, because scoring more than 80% from somebody like me, that was a disaster. That was actually a disaster for me and my family, because nobody could have trusted, nobody could have believed that I can score more than 80% of marks. But yes, I did, and I was really happy about it. I was really happy about the success that I had. And because of this success, because of scoring really well in class 10th, I got a little comfortable. Now class 12th, I chose science. I was so confident, actually overconfident about myself. I took science, I took biology, I wanted to be a doctor. I also took maths as an optional subject because I thought I can take up both the subjects, and there was a disaster in the making. I scored extremely poor in my class 12 examinations. I could not compete in my medical examinations. I was a failure once again. So after a big time success that I had, I went back to be a big time failure once again. So from there, once again started the story of struggles, choosing a new stream for myself, new career for myself, from the dreams of becoming a doctor to something else, something which a poor scorer in science could get into, which was commerce at that time. So I took commerce and started doing my CA exam, preparing for my CA examinations and getting ready for my MBA examinations. Now, what actually I want to tell you from this, what exactly I want to tell you from this story is, this story also is very similar to the other story that we have heard about the tortoise and the rabbit. What do you think made the rabbit lose? Or what do you think made the tortoise win? It was not because the tortoise was slow and steady, but it was because the rabbit, on his first success, stopped, paused, rested, thought that he had achieved a lot, so he has the right to rest, he has the right to be comfortable, and that is where he lost. That is where the tortoise won the game. Not because the tortoise was slow and steady, but it was because the rabbit went into the comfort zone. Rabbit, because he became successful the first time, he thought he has every right to stop, to pause, to wait, to hold, to take rest, to be comfortable, which is not so. You are only successful if you keep repeating your success. The moment you fail, you become a failure. So you are only successful until your next failure, and you are only a failure if you keep repeating that. So stop getting comfortable with the success. Stop getting into that comfort zone. Stop feeling happy. Stop feeling like a winner with your first or second or your third success. You will have to keep getting successful. In the garden, when you trim the grasses, you cannot just once trim the grass and be happy that okay, now that my garden is gonna look beautiful. It has to be trimmed every week. Only then the garden looks beautiful. It cannot just be trimmed once and be rested. We cannot do that. It has to be watered, it has to be trimmed, it has to be taken care of success. every now and then. So what does this mean? What do I exactly want to say you? That success is not a one-time affair. It has to repeat itself. It has to be repeat itself. And that is why you will see a lot of people who earn money somehow. Once they stop spending money, they start preserving money, they start behaving like a miser, they start behaving like a somebody who is going to preserve that money, store that money, save that money for the lifetime, because he knows the first time he earned money, he made money, was out of luck, was out of chance. So he cannot now afford to spend the money that he has earned, because he is not confident about himself. He is not confident that he can make that same money once again. He will never spend that money because he is not confident about himself. So if you have to be confident about yourself, if you think that you won because of the hard work that you did, then you have to show this to yourself that you can keep doing it once again and again and again and again. You cannot stop, you cannot pause. That was all for the day. Have a wonderful day.